Just a couple notes before starting. According to law enforcement, Dylan said he was clad in black. Well, obviously this one's white. Let's just imagine that it's black. Okay, Dylan's room would be right about here, about 6 feet away. That's the sliding glass door. She said he walked towards the sliding glass door. So, according to this theory, he stopped in the kitchen and got undressed. A lot of people think the kitchen's dark, but remember there's a good vibes lighting in the living room, and it might be reflecting here, or there could be some other source of light also. And once we're done here, we're going to go out to the car, which is about 4 to 5 car lengths away. When the killer first came in, he left that plastic sheeting right by the door. And one last thing before we get going is this outfit is waterproof, and here's a sample of it. I put some Tabasco sauce on here. This is the exterior of the lower pant leg. And right with my fingers here, I dabbed water on the outside, kept dabbing and dabbing to see, and it's completely waterproof. So what you're gonna see on the inside is just the color from the exterior. It actually did not penetrate. So that is just the color from the outside of the pant leg on the Tabasco. Okay, here goes. Shower cap. Okay, keep in mind right now, he's naked except for socks, gloves, shower cap, mask. Second pair of gloves off, one pair of gloves remaining. Hand inside. Shoes from Goodwill back on. zip tie. Now we have two different theories. One, we can go back through the living room, down the stairs. At the base of the stairs, immediate to the right is the exit door, because people claim that that door was left open, and Bethany was down there, and she said she saw a naked man running away from the house. Naked man theory. But in this case, we're going to go up to the car, and I'll show you how the car is set up. Here's the pedals, and here's the shifter. And this is a removable steering thing. Moist cloth to clean above the mask, below the bonnet.